Established enterprises and SaaS startups alike face real challenges integrating with and supporting third-party applications their customers demand. This growing number of technology integrations take time and resources that can and should be focused on more strategic work. Whether your business has already invested time and effort to build integrations, or you're struggling to meet user demands for them, pain is real. At Pliant, we've introduced a solution that addresses the challenges, and it's called our Embedded Integration Platform as a Service. Pliant provides a one-stop integration hub that integrates just about any technology your users demand. Our broad, API-driven integrations allow you to meet customer demands in days, not weeks, all while taking the burden of development off your plate. No more development, no more maintenance, quicker time to market, and higher ROI. Pliant Embedded iPaaS allows you to save time. By offloading development and maintenance to Pliant, you can reduce the time it takes your business to bring new integrations to market from weeks to minutes per integration. This is possible thanks to our broad ecosystem of existing integrations and our guaranteed 15-day SLA for new integrations your users demand. Launching support for new integrations is half the battle. Maintaining APIs and providing support for updates can be a full-time job, and it can further distract your developers from delivering on the promise of your core product. Pliant Embedded iPaaS is flexible enough to allow you to do more with less. Pliant allows you to support new integrations with a flip of a switch, to expand and rapidly build out your supported partner ecosystem. It allows you to pilot out new technologies as well. And you don't need to dedicate highly technical teams to get the job done. Pliant Embedded iPaaS is purpose-built for startup and high-growth SaaS businesses. We extend your team's capabilities on day one, allowing you to focus on your business. Thanks to Pliant's cloud-scale capabilities, Embedded iPaaS is equally suited for established technology companies as well. Our secure and highly available platform ensures compliance and scale while complementing and accelerating your integration strategy. In short, whether your business is mature or just getting started, the Pliant Embedded iPaaS solution can help you focus on what matters. So how does this all work? Simply put, your job is to innovate and deliver solutions for your customers, and that's where your focus should be. And yet your product's users often require integrations with third-party applications and services. This is where Pliant comes in. When you engage with the Pliant Embedded iPaaS, we manage the authentication process for you, execute all API actions, and manage all data transfer ETL requirements to get the job done. The third step is simply choosing the integrations you need to meet your users' demand. At Pliant, we have thousands of out-of-the-box integrations from hundreds of common vendors across a wide variety of industries and use cases. From HR apps like ADP, communications apps like Slack, and if there's a custom app we don't have a current integration with, rest assured we can deliver that integration in 15 days or less. For more information about how Pliant can help your business, visit pliant.io today.